Good morning, friends. Today for targeted reading, again, your reading teacher is gone. And so for targeted reading for small group reading today, you are going to be going into Epic. You will go into Epic and then you will find the folder Small Group Reading Work. Okay, once you're in there, you will read the story Anansi and the Magic Stick. We want you to try reading it on your own first. If that is too challenging and you've tried your best, feel free to listen to them read it to you. After that, you are going to fill out the beginning, middle, and end. Then, friends, when you are done with that, if you have extra time, you get to choose one of these 3 books in that same collection. So zebras, warthogs, or hyenas. Oh, hyenas are such an interesting animal. Again, 2 of them are read to me. That means if you've tried your best and they're still too hard, you can listen to it as well. But try to read your best first, but choose one animal and then fill out topic, main idea, and detail. I look forward to hearing about all of the things that you read about tomorrow. Have a great day and continue to do your best. We are so very proud of you. Have a great night.